Understanding rental apartments. A guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the concept of rental apartments. Whether you're planning to move or just curious about housing options, understanding what rental apartments are is key. Let's dive into the world of housing and unravel the meaning and nuances of renting an apartment. Rental apartments are living spaces that individuals or families can occupy in exchange for a periodic payment, usually monthly, to the property owner. These apartments come in various sizes, from studio apartments for individuals to larger units for families. The key aspect is that the occupant does not own the property but pays to use it for a certain period, as defined in a rental agreement or lease. A rental agreement or lease is a legal contract between the tenant, the person renting the apartment, and the landlord, the property owner. This document outlines crucial details like the rent amount, payment due dates, security deposit, and rules about using the property. It's essential for tenants to carefully read and understand this agreement before signing, as it protects both the tenants' and landlord's rights. In a rental apartment scenario, both tenants and landlords have specific responsibilities. Tenants are responsible for paying rent on time, keeping the apartment in good condition, and following the property's rules. On the other hand, landlords are responsible for maintaining the property, making necessary repairs, and ensuring the property meets safety and health standards. It's a partnership where both parties must uphold their end of the agreement for a harmonious living situation. Renting an apartment has its benefits and challenges. Benefits include flexibility in moving, no long-term financial commitment to a mortgage, and often, no responsibility for major repairs or maintenance. However, there are also challenges, such as the possibility of rent increases, limitations on personalizing the space, and the temporary nature of the living situation. It's important for individuals to weigh these factors when deciding whether renting is the right choice for them. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of rental apartments and what it entails. Whether you're a potential tenant or just curious about this common living arrangement, understanding the basics of rental apartments is crucial. If you're considering renting, remember to read the rental agreement carefully, understand your rights and responsibilities, and choose a place that feels like home. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best in your housing journey.